String, Boolean, and operator are the most important topic in Python because we mostly use in our Python programming. Learn how Python handle text, logic, and math. Perfect for beginners ready to master the fundamental of programming with Python, code data type, and operation. I am Pramod Trike. I am going to represent this to you. Understanding strings in Python. What is string? A sequence of characters that represent text data in Python. String are one of the most fundamental data type you will work with. String must be enclosed in either double quotation or single quotation. Both work identically in Python. As you can see, alias is our string and we have this double quotation. Hello is our string. We have this single quotation. And welcome to Python programming. It is in a double quotation. String are immutable in Python, meaning once created, they cannot be changed. However, you can create new string based on existing ones using various operation and methods. Essential string operations. Concatenation. Concatenation means joining a table. Combine multiple string using the plus operator to create longer text sequence. This is the fundamental for building dynamic messages and user interface. Okay, as you can see, we have this full name is a variable and we have this name John and we use this operator as a concatenation. We use this for the space in between John and Doi. So we got a result John Doi. Same as for the greeting. Hello, and we have this full name which is John Doe. We have this result. Repetition. Repetition is a repeating text. Using plus operator, using the star operator or multiply operator to repeat string multiple times. Perfect for creating patterns, separator, or emphasis in your output. Echo is a very echo is our variable. We have this high and we have to print this high into 3 times. So we can use this multiplication operator and we have to multiply. So we are gonna multiply it by the 3. We got this result 3 times higher. Same as for the separator. This is our underscore of separator. We got this result for the 20 times because we multiply it by the 20. Okay, so the string operation or building block for texting process for text processing and user input, handling and creating formatted output in our Python programs. Powerful string method. First one is a strip method. Strip method can do remove white spaces from the beginning and the end of the string, essential for cleaning user interface, user input and data processing. So we have this Python, as you can see over here, like in the front we have this so much space and in the end we have the so much space. So what we can do, we have to remove that space, so we can use this strip method. When we use this strip method over here, then we are gonna result like that. So from the front and from the end, uh, the white space has been removed automatically in the Python by using the strip method. We have this lowercase method. When we have a string in uppercase and we have to convert it into the lowercase, so we can use this lower lowercase method. So how we can do it? Like we have this alias in uppercase and we can use this lower method. So we got a result in the lowercase. Same for the upper method. Convert all character to the uppercase, great for creating header, passes or formatting requirements. As you can see, Python basics is in a lowercase. When we use this upper method, we can got a result in a uppercase. That whole string converted into the uppercase. Python offers dozens of string methods for text manipulation, searching, replacing, and formatting. This method make Python exceptionally powerful for text processing tasks, from simple data cleaning to complex natural language processing. Boolean data type fundamentals. What is Boolean? Boolean is a data type that can convert, so that can only store two values, okay, and true or false. Named for mathematician George Boole. It is a fundamental to programming logic. Used in a decision. Used in a decision. Boolean control program flow through condition, loop, and decision making structure. They are the foundation of all logical operations. We have this like example is active is equal to true, is logged is in a false, has permission is equal to true, and is complete is equal to false. We got a result like that. Boolean value are case sensitive in Python. Always use true and false with capital letter. They are often the result of comparison and logical operations. So we have this comparison operator. Comparison. So compare value to get true or false result. At means like we got a Boolean result over here. Like those operator are essential for making decision in your program and control program flow based on the data conditions. We have this operator equals to, not equals to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. We have this kind of example over here. As you can see, x is equal to 5. So and y is equal to 3. And when we are gonna print this, x is greater than y. Yeah, 5 is greater than 3. True. X is equal to so x is equal to y. 5 is 5 equals to 3. No, false. Then then same for the x is less than equal to y. Then it is a false also because 5 is greater than 3. Comparison operator always return Boolean value and can be used with number, string, and other data type. They are crucial for conditional statement and data validation. Arithmetic operators perform mathematical operator in Python. This operator handle everything from basic math to complex calculation, making excellent for numerical computing and data analysis. So as we can see this is the arithmetic operator. This is addition operator. So as you can see, add two number together. Also work for string concatenation and the list combinations. Okay, so result is our variable, and we have this numbers 5 plus 3. We got the result of 8. Same as for the subtraction, subtract the second number from the first. So 10 minus 4, we got a 4. For the multiplication, multiplies two numbers, 6 multiplied by 4, 24. Also repeat string and list when used with integers. Division number, divide number and return a float value. Use uh, double division sign for a integer division without decimal. Okay, so as you can see over here, x is equal to 7, y is equal to 3. So print x of modulus of y. Okay, so we got a result 1 because modulus is will give the return remainder, and 7 multiply by y, so it multiply by exponentially. So we got a result 343, and as you can see we have this 7 uh, double divided by 3. This is a floor division. We are not gonna result. We are not gonna get a result in a decimals because we are using this floor decision value. It actually give the result in a integer value. It does not give it given a result in a decimal value when we are using this kind of double division. Uh, so advanced operator like modulus, exponential, and floor division provide powerful mathematical capabilities for complex calculation and algorithms. Logical operators combine two Boolean value to create complex logical conditions. These operators are fundamental for building sophisticated decision-making logic in your programs. And operators return true only if both conditions are true. Used when all condition must be met simultaneously. X is equal to true, y is equal to false. Result x and y give the result false. Or operator return true if at least one condition is true. Used when any condition being met is sufficient. X is equal to true, y is equal to false. Yeah. So if as you can see over here, result means like it will return the true value if it will return true value if at least one condition and true is if one condition is true. Okay. So we as you can see, x is equal to true, y is equal to false. We have this x is equal to true and there is a one condition is true, so we got a result true. Not operator. Reverse the Boolean value. Convert true to false and false to true. X is equal to true, and when we use not operator, then true become false. Logical operator follow precedence rules. Not has highest precedence followed by and then or. Use parentheses to control evaluation order in the complex expressions. Key concept summary. We are so as we can discuss strings. Strings can be used for the text data enclosed in a codes, support concatenation, repetition, and numerous method for manipulation and formatting. As you can see, we already discussed about the immutable sequence of character, its set of built-in methods and essential for text processing. Okay. We also discussed the Boolean true false logic value that control program flow and decision making in conditional statement and loops. Only two possible values, which is a true false, a result of comparison and foundation of program logic. We already discussed in the Boolean topic. Operators are like mathematical comparison and logical tools that manipulate data and create conditions for the program control. It's arithmetic for the calculation, comparison for conditions, logic for complex decision. Okay. So practice this concept regularly to build a strong foundations in Python programming. Keep coding with Python. Next step, continue practicing variable, function, and control structure to build more complex programs. Keep learning. Explore Python extensive standard library and discover powerful models for your project. Stay connected, join Python community, ask questions, and share your coding journey with fellow developers. And you can also comment into this video, and I will keep touching with it. Uh, Master this fundamental, and you will be ready to tackle more advanced Python concept. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. I am also the beginner. I was also the beginner. Now I'm learning, and I'm going to uh, teach you. And now I am able to teach you this Python program. Thank you so much.